Just 3 days before the deadline set by the Pakistani government for the militants of Bajaur, a tribal region bordering Afghanistan, to surrender, around 49 militants along with their 150 accomplices, including local Tehreek-e-Taliban Pakistan leader and spokesman Salar Mahsood, laid down their arms and renounced militancy in a grand jirga or tribal meeting held on Tuesday. The jirga was participated by some 1,000 tribal elders and members of the political administration. In the meeting, Tehreek-e-Taliban Pakistan militants pledged not to go any more against the writ of the Pakistani government and to remain peaceful and helpful to the people of Pakistan.
As you see, some 40 to 50 of our men with their accomplices have surrendered to the government, and from now on we all will cooperate with the security forces in maintaining peace in the area. Pakistan is our homeland and we will not spread terrorism in it.
The new development came days after Pakistani troops cleared militants' hotbed Bajaur agency and hoisted Pakistan national flag after 6 years. As a result, the situation in the affected area is fast returning to normalcy.
Now we have surrendered to the government. We were misguided by the Taliban. They used us for terrorist activities, but now they can't use us.
As officials say, the surrender of the key militant commanders along with their associates in Bajaur agency is reflective of the fact that militants are finding it difficult to find any refuge, and their leadership is constantly under pressure and is reportedly on the run for safety in other tribal regions of the country.
By the grace of Almighty God, you avail the opportunity to surrender, and I assure you now, your lives, your honor, your families and innocent children are safe now.
Though there are still instances of terrorism and militants continue to strike targets in various parts of the country, their frequency has dropped and it seems that their strength is dying down. Analysts believe that Tehreek-e-Taliban Pakistan has not been able to bounce back since its top leader Hakimullah Mahsood was killed in a drone attack on February 14. The leader's death has considerably let down the morale of the pro-Taliban militants across the country. Zahid Hussain, Press TV, Peshawar.